Hi everyone, it's Sean, and today we're going to be learning how to use voice typing in Google Docs for dictation. So first of all, you need to just make sure that you are using the Chrome browser. It's only going to work in there. Most computers don't actually come with Google Chrome already downloaded, so if you don't have it, you're going to need to download that from the internet. So it's pretty simple. Once you are in a Google Doc, you're going to go to Tools, and then down to voice typing, or you can hit the Command Shift plus S if you're on a Mac. Okay, so this pops up and you just click to speak. I do want to note real quick that it will usually pop up a message saying, do you want to connect to the microphone, which allows Google Docs to access your microphone, and you're going to want to click yes. So once that's connected, you just click on the microphone. Hello, how are you? Question mark. New line. So right there, as you can see, it reads what I say pretty well. You just want to make sure that you're articulating fairly well, you're not speaking too fast or murmured. If you're having some trouble, you can also use a microphone with a headset. But also, just to note a couple little things, every time you start, hello again, how are you? It's going to capitalize each thing. So if you're turning it on and off in the middle of the sentence, just know that it's going to capitalize. And you do need to add the punctuation. So you can say things like period, comma, question mark, exclamation point, and new line for enter. There is also a lot of voice commands for all of these things. You can change the font, you can change the alignment, pretty much everything up in the toolbar. I don't think that's super useful because you can just click it in the toolbar. We can use our hands, but it's nice to know that it does have the option. Just a couple quick strategies too is that you can use this a little bit. So if you come across a word you don't know how to go about spelling, you can go ahead and just click on this and just say the word. Or you could also, it's useful if you need to copy something over. So say there's a definition you need to copy, you can just read the definition and there it will be. Or you can also have an outline so that you can sort of have a script to read from. It's easier if you know what you're going to say rather than sort of getting caught in the middle and just going on a tangent. So just like any other writing assignment, you want to plan before you do it. And then also afterwards, you still want to edit. It's not always going to pick everything up perfectly. And so you always want to make sure that you're still editing your work after you're done recording. However, speaking is very fast and very efficient, and you get that done really quickly. So, okay, well, that's about it. Thanks a lot. And again, let me know if you have any questions.